What's going on, everybody? Keith here, Pristine Auto Clean, and today we're going to be doing a deep interior clean on this thing. It's a Ford Escape. We got to do the headliner. We got to pull the seats, front and rear. As you can see, those are our formats we're working with, but this thing's definitely seen better days. Most of this video is going to be time lapse, just because I know you guys don't want to see it real time. I don't want to do it real time, but at least time lapse, you know, it'll look cool. It's gonna be definitely gratifying, to say the least. I mean, I don't even want to see the stuff that's gonna get pulled out of these seats, but we'll take them right out. You know, we'll get on the sides. There's definitely a big stain there, and this will allow us to get in the console, underneath the seats, which actually don't look that bad. Oh, look, $1. I'll give that back to the customer. And, you know, I'm just gonna go through the motions on this thing. Not really too worried about the outside. We'll wash it, get the jams cleaned. Probably do a headlight restoration on it. Wheels definitely, they'll make a difference. Try to lighten up this rust spot over here. I'm sure this gas door is filthy too. Clean that. Basically just give this thing a new look on life. But I gotta reupholster a seat right this minute, so as soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna get rolling on this thing, and it's gonna be a fun one, boys. Stay tuned. Pull the seats out, disconnect all the wires, and then we'll get going on the actual cleaning part of it. Alright guys, we got the seats all removed. As you can see, now we can really see what we're working with. Found like $6 in it. Give that back to the customer. But yeah, this is what it should look like. This is what it does look like. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get the Tornador, we're gonna give this thing a very thorough vacuum. That way we get all the loose dirt out, then we'll go ahead and start shampooing everything. This is all gonna have to get soaked, drill brushed. I mean, I see a bug crawling around. Ugh. Everything, all this stuff's gonna have to get shampooed, and as you can see, these are the areas you can't really get when the seats are in the car. Like this right here, like you'll be fighting that, especially this right there, but we'll document all this stuff, that way the customer and I are on the same page, and we'll just go right through it, top to bottom. As you can see, it's definitely seen better days. And we also gotta hit the headliner, but we'll shampoo everything, then we'll go ahead and do that. Just wanna get all the wet work done, that way it can dry out overnight, but the sooner we do it, the sooner it can dry. And we'll get going on the back, we'll put you guys on time lapse. Alright guys, it's about 90 degrees. Did not pick the best day to do this, all the steam and extract and everything, but this is where we're at so far. Everything cleaned, cup holders all cleaned, console inside of it's clean, all the muck out of there, all the carpets extracted, seats extracted. I used the heaviest chemical I could on that stain, and these stains did not come out. I don't know if it's grease, oil, something like that, but this wouldn't come out either. A little bit of schmutz in there, but everything's clean, dressed. Got underneath those seats, both these, all the pockets and everything, all the jams, fuel door. It's not perfect by any means, but it's much better than it was. And I mean, results speak for themselves. The only thing I got left on it is I got to reinstall the front seats, shine the tires, shine the trim, and you know, a couple little odds and ends, but that's about it. This is our seats. I extracted this thing 3 times. Kind of is what it is. Definitely getting better, but there's only so much you can do with these. I'll have to wipe them down a final time just to get the streaks out of them. But all right guys, I'm gonna check back in with you guys once more tomorrow. I'm gonna let this thing dry out overnight, and I'm gonna get working on some other cars. Stay tuned for the finished product tomorrow. End this video, but I want to give you guys a nice little walkthrough. Found some money, returned that back to the customer, obviously. Cleaned everything, conditioned everything. This is kind of the best the seats could get. I did extract them 2 or 3 times, so they're not perfect, but I'm sure you're going to see in the before video, it's a hell of a transformation. We did everything, took the seats out, shampooed everything top to bottom. Headliner's pretty good. I mean, you know, went around the outside, deconned it very thoroughly. Iron removed it, tar removed it, and so we're left with customers not really too concerned with the paint. So we just went ahead and sealed it up. That way it's protected. Shine the trim, shine tires. Just basically went through a little bit of detail on the outside, nothing crazy. But as you can see, this thing's got a new lease on life. And I want to thank everybody for watching. I'm gonna get to work today. Got a busy day as always, so I just want to say please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And if you guys want to see anything, you know, in any further videos, we're more than happy to do pretty much anything. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.